bigger than last time.
Damn.
That's bigger than last time, dude.
Damn, monster.
Look at that frog.
Damn, we ate that bastard.
What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you?
Fucking don't believe it. The Rockford fishing.
It's all you. There he goes.
The double load. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. Who has a bigger fish? Who's got a bigger fish?
Way over there.
Damn. I think Porky won. I think Porky beat you by a lot, dude. Ew.
It's food for these guys. Right?
Catching those sky bass. A good what, 2 pounds?
A nice little skin.
1.5?
There's just skinny though, I don't like that. Right?
Yeah. Damn, a striper?
A little one.
What more do we want, man? Look, we even got a baby fish in there right now.
Is that right?
Me a carp.
Look at the lure I got. Look at the lure I got it on.
Damn, Porky, thank you. Thank you, Porky. You can't even get this motherfucker out, man. This motherfucker doesn't want
I forgot to use pliers.
I need the pliers.
It's big. It's big, it's big, it's big. Oh, the net, the net. Oh, which one are you
I can't get the net. It's with the thing.
Alright, I got it. That's a catfish. It's a big catfish. Get the net, get the net. Get the net, I can't pick this one up. Ready? No, not like that. Up through the bottom. You don't know how to use the net?
Again, it's too heavy.
Going up. Put the net upwards.
I
There
can't.
you go, like that, yes.
Trying to scoop it.
God, you're so fucking dumb.
Go. It's only got 2 more minutes.
Where's the pliers?
Got me a small carp, and it's going to the water. It's going to the water.
Finally won.
Finally won.
Can I have my frog back, bitch?
Where is he?
Is he on there still?
Yeah, he has to be in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, he's in there. Oh, he's gonna rip, dude. He's gonna rip.
He ain't even that big. That's it. Woo!
Creek fishing. See if there's any more.
Oh, there's more. Wow. Poke me with it.
He poked you?
He's not giving up, dude. Thank you.
You throw him in there now?
Did I? All the way up there?
I'll throw him in. See where he goes. got a big one, dude. Oh, it's small. My little catfish. Here, put them in right now. Don't worry, guys. Small little catfish, small little catfish.